This 2026 Grand Design Lineage 25 Takas is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, TV, microwave, spare tire kit, LP detector, slide-out, awning, stovetop burner, air conditioning, smoke detector, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2026 Grand Design Lineage 25 Takas is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.